My commitment is to not stand in this upcoming general election. I've given a commitment to serve the full 5 years. I'm really enjoying that work. We'll see what happens after that. But never say never. It's very important that people do lots of things in their lives. Yeah. One thing that I'm not in favour of, I have to say, I mean, you have to be a certain type of individual to want to be in Irish politics for 30 or 40 years. A very strong individual. I don't think, quite frankly, it's good for the system to be there so long. It's equally not good to have the same group of ministers there that long. I think we always need to be changing people, bringing new people with new energy to a department. So I haven't put a year on it, but I don't know. Am I going to be in politics at 50 or 51 years of age? I'm 45 at the moment. My commitment is to serve the 5 years. What I do after that, I just don't know.
Is there anything else you'd be interested in doing? I mean, he talked about, say, volunteering abroad or something like that. I mean, is there anything that interests you outside of politics?
The education issues. I mean, the job that I enjoyed doing most when I was in politics was my time as opposition spokesperson in education. I'm fascinated by third level education and what it can do to drive economic growth. I wouldn't mind your job actually in asking politicians tough questions from time to time. So that's not my focus right now. But I mean, I'm open to doing different things. But it's personally to spend 40 years in politics, even though I would be constantly a Fine Gael activist and a supporter, even if I was out of politics, because Fine Gael represents the values that I believe in. At the end of the day, I think spending 40 years in politics is pretty sad, but that's just my own view.